Let me turn on the lights to show you what Bilal and I are working for.
Actually, you bump the iPhone.
No, I'll bump it in a second because it's super black.
Oh, okay.
This episode's the black episode, super black.
And go.
So essentially, so essentially what we're working on is we have a talent that has glasses, right? So we're looking for a darker shot. So this is our talent. Our talent's gonna be here. We're gonna shoot them on the all black. We have this light coming in at a 45-degree angle because like we was talking about, Bilal just said, I natively think this way. He just learned it that you should always shoot into the dark side of the sun, of the light, so you get a lot of detailed texture. When you're shooting like someone that has great skin, you shoot them from the short side. It's called the short light and broad light. Broad light is like a brush, something that's wide. Right here it is. Look, broad light is okay. So more of your broad light is coming where it's flat on you, where you can see my face.
Yeah.
Right? Versus short light is now the light is coming from this side, but Bilal's on my shadow side of my face.
Okay.
So now when I'm talking to the camera, it's darker, right?
Yeah.
Because the light side is lit, but it's just showing enough texture on my face.
I gotcha.
So now when I'm looking around,
So you gotta look at the light and the the surface area that's coming at you like a paintbrush.
Like if I have spray paint, that's why they break the tops off.
Yeah.
So they can make the line straight. Versus when they want to fill it in or make something broad or one stroke, like change the color of a wall, they'll use a regular spray at far away.
I gotcha.
So it missed and hits the color.
Okay.
But when they want to make a straight line, make letters, they take the top off. And it gets on their fingertips. So yeah, that's what you're basically seeing around here. It's the lighting setup of something studio. Because when you're knowledge, you want to have dramatic. You don't want all this stuff in the background.
Yeah.
You want to focus on the content. So yeah, this basically is the dark setup as we're doing. We're on the dark side of the talent. Right here, our talent is in the middle. So the talent is going to be here, standing here, giving his presentation. Since he has glasses like me, he's standing here because you wanted to come in like a doorway. Yeah. Right? So the doorway of light is coming here. And one trick I was saying, if you ever want to see what your light is doing, like you look at the reflection from it. You look up on the ceiling, you see an L. Yeah. And it's missing this whole shot here. So you know the light isn't touching it. If you look at the light at the top, it's coming all forward. And our subject is right in the middle of this L, giving you that Rembrandt light that we were talking about earlier. Yeah. It's giving us that right here by taking it, bouncing it back, bringing it soft. And a couple more things that we'll probably do is bring a key light from the back black side so we can get separation. Separation meaning make it look 3D. Make it look like it's popping off the screen like an actual person rather than like a photocopied look of a person. So
photocopy look of a person.
Yeah, you know, that's what flash. That's why people don't like on camera flash. Okay. Because it's like photocopy and it's like put driver's license photo. Yeah, it's like one broad light over your face and you look horrible because it doesn't help. Versus this light will help shape and bring character to the scene, to the videos. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. A teleprompter coming to a lesson near you. So now sort of he'll be looking like into the camera. It's fun stuff, man.
Problem solution time. How do you get rid of lens flare that you're dealing with on camera? So you notice that on the screen. How do you get rid of that, Kahari?
If you don't, first of all, have a proper lens shade. That's the little plastic piece that come with your lenses, right? Okay. The lens shade connects on the side. What you essentially want to do is block this light from hitting the frame from this voyeur awkward angle. Okay. So we don't have anything, right? But I thought of a solution because we're going to use this extension arm that we have that backlight on the C-stand, so we don't need this extra arm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this light stand with this extension arm. We're going to remove the pin. And between here, you got little grooves. I'm going to put a piece of cardboard right here, a piece of paper. Let me turn it to the side so you can see it. See, it's like a sandwich. gonna put a piece of paper here, a piece of cardboard, and we're just gonna close that, and it's gonna actually act as a flag. Watch when I move my hand. Purple fringing, put my hand, or the cardboard where it's gonna be, boom, blocks it, and it's not in the shot. And that's how you solve a problem. So now I'm just find a piece of cardboard. Oh, it rained, dude.
So what scar are you gonna do with?
So I need a little flag on me. See this? This cardboard paper. This is gonna block the light from just hitting that sensor. Just nice and flat.
Let's do this.
Just do what you gotta. Just do what you got. And here, there it is.
Boom. Almost got it.
I'm here. I'm here. Let's go.
Done.
I'm gonna bag the bottom of it so keep it rocking. Always bag your lightweight stands, no matter what. When you got something that doesn't fit together, secure the base, man. It's so simple to buy these, and it saves you so much money. Bilal doesn't understand the value, so he throws them away and leaves them.
I was
And
wondering.
I repurpose them.
Were those the ones that had that?
Just throw them away. Okay, throw them away, I will.
I have a whole nother set of these I still haven't used.
Dude, you crazy, bro. This is one of the most essential pieces in photography is securing your bases and your stands.
In my defense, I didn't want to carry these around anymore because it's just heavy.
I get it. It's all good. But yeah, that knocked it out though, see? I could twist it from this point. Add it back, take it out.
Boom.
Add it back, take it out. And basically it's just called a flag. That's all that is, just a black flag.
But it's brown.
Shout out to all my brown people. We in this together. We in this together. Anyway, we done, bro. Alhamdulillah.